को करके who's gonna clean this? Wow, it's recurring. कहाँ रखा? Dude, I found it. क्या हाल है? This is going to be another get ready with me video. So yeah, you would have guessed by the title what kind of makeup look I'm going to try today. So yeah, let's just start the video. Okay, so I was going to start with the basic things that I do. Again, moisturize my skin because ज़रूरी है, करना चाहिए. I just feel yeah. So I'm just going to start by moisturizing my skin. Then I'm just going to use a primer because that's generally what we do. See, I'm just sharing my routine and yeah, whatever I do on my face. So yeah, just apply this all the way. And this is where I realized that I stopped talking for the rest of the video. God knows why. So voice over से काम चलाना पड़ेगा. I've taken liquid concealer basically to create the base for the eye makeup, and it's going to be an intense eye makeup look. So अच्छे से we should have a base for all the makeup that has to be put on it. I'm taking a small beauty blender because it's easier to use, and I'm just blending all the concealer in the place and blend करते रहो. And मैंने fast forward कर दिया ताकि ज़्यादा time एक ही step you guys don't have to see. Then I'm taking Fit Me का I'm taking Fit Me का loose powder. I'm in the shade 15 and I'm going to set the base and generously लगाना please because इसके ऊपर बहुत सारा makeup लगने वाला है. So we want everything to basically pop out. That's why we put the loose powder. Now we're basically taking a clean brush and हम सबसे light color से start करेंगे. It's an NK का palette. I will link it down in the description, and we'll start with yellow and we'll put it on the crease line because we'll start from the lighter shade and we'll move towards the darker shade. And इसको अच्छे से अपनी crease line पे हमें place करना है. और I think मैं चुप हो सकती हूँ because it's self-explanatory. Yeah, so sorry. तो अच्छे से we'll basically put the yellow shade on both the eyes and blend करेंगे. Then I'll take another brush and a clean brush, and basically Nykaa, this is another palette, and I'll take orange which will be a little darker from yellow, so transitions easily visible only. And we'll basically blend the two together. Blending is literally the mantra. And then I do the same on the left eye as well. Now I'm taking the first brush and from the first palette, that's the NK palette, I'm taking red color. So we're basically increasing the tone. We're actually increasing the tone. Yeah, I said that twice. Okay. We're increasing the tone of the colors that we're actually using ताकि थोड़ा dense effect लगे, and kind of a sunset look is what we're going towards. But end में हम उसे थोड़ा glam कर देंगे. So wait for it. अब थोड़ा सा और येलो लेंगे and we'll place it on the eyelid, and we'll basically blend all the three colors together ताकि they look in sync. And we do the same on the other eye as well. नाउ हम कट क्रीज करेंगे सो दैट थोड़ा ग्लैम लुक आ जाए. एंड आई एम टेकिंग बेसिकली liquid concealer, and it's Fit Me ka liquid concealer if I'm not wrong, and I'm just placing it on my eyelid with the help of a thin brush, and I'll do the same in the other eye, and iske baad we'll put glitter. That's the favorite part, trust me. Now this is another NK palette, and we're taking this gold color and we're basically glitter color, and we're placing it above the liquid concealer, and that's how basically the entire eye makeup looks like. Now we'll move towards the face. So rather than using basically a foundation, I'm using a foundation stick because I really wanted to try it, and I'll place it all over my face, and सेटिंग्स पे लेंगे एंड अपने ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर को थोड़ा वेट कर लेंगे बिकॉज अच्छे से ब्लेंडिंग होनी चाहिए, एंड द एंटायर बेस नॉट लुक केकी. एंड या ये लग बहुत आसान रहा है बट बहुत टाइम तक ब्लेंड करना पड़ेगा टू गेट दैट स्मूथ टेक्सचर ऑन योर स्किन. एंड आई एम टेकिंग फिट मी का लूज पाउडर. आई एम इन द शेड 15 एंड आई एम जस्ट बेसिकली सेटिंग माई एंटायर फेस. एंड या यू जस्ट पुट जेनरसली द पाउडर, एंड yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. Then I'm taking a liquid eyeliner, and I'm basically creating a wing, and just entire look को थोड़ा और बोल्ड बनाने के लिए एंड जितना ईजी यहाँ पे लग रहा है एक्चुअल में इतना ईजी नहीं था, और बहुत अच्छा खासा टाइम लगा था ये करने के लिए. एंड आई डिड द अदर वन ऑफ कैमरा, सो दैट्स द एंटायर आई लुक. नाउ आई बेसिकली फिल माई आईब्रोज. अच्छी आईब्रोज हैं तो ज़्यादा इसमें मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग मस्कारा ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज आपको अपनी आई लैशेस को भी अच्छे से एक्सेंचुएट करना है, सो यू पुट लॉट्स ऑफ मस्कारा. लाइक आई थिंक मस्कारा इज़ नाउ माई favorite makeup product, and just put layers of mascara. Like it can just lift up the entire makeup look in a second, and obviously a little kajal to complete the eye look. Yeah, I think मैं दूसरी बार बोल रही हूँ but okay, you get the point. काजल भी लगा लेना because बहुत अच्छा look आता है. Now I'm taking the Nykaa का palette, and basically inner corners of the eye I'll put a little bit of glitter ताकि थोड़ा और अच्छा लगे makeup look. I think blush लगाने वाला part I just edited it and it got deleted. So basically I put blush. It was Maxi Blush. Sweet Cheeks is basically the name of the blush. Then I put Maybelline ka lipstick. I will link down the code for the lipstick in the description box. And now I'm just putting a lot of highlighter to complete the entire look. Setting spray to set the makeup. And voila, we're done with the makeup look. I'll try to give some aesthetic shots, but you can clearly see that I failed miserably. But yeah, I think now I resume talking, so bye-bye. I don't have to go somewhere, so I think, yeah, that's the look. And I hope you guys like it. And yeah, I'll be back with another video. Bye-bye, take care.